Hey, what's up guys? I'm doing this to show you this drone that I just built. It's this 533 tiny trainer. It's okay to fly, pain in the ass to build. And I'm gonna warn anyone that builds this thing to go with whatever kit that they recommend on their site. Like, buy the whole kit. Don't do like I did, just kind of buy some parts and expect it to work. Yeah, you can buy an all-in-one ESC. When I say all-in-one ESC, I meant a all-in-one flight controller with ESC combo. It's like a little whoop style FC. I'm just kind of putting that out there. Throw it in there and kind of wire it up. But I'll tell you right now, it's the biggest nightmare you can possibly get yourself into. It flies pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of attack on it. As you can see, it kind of fly it like this, so it's gonna fly pretty quick. Just kind of get used to it, because when you're not expecting it, it's a bit of a pain to fly. Not only that, when I first got it out there, it was not set up correctly, so adding to the pain in the ass to build, it was also a pain to set up. As long as you get through all that, I'll admit it's pretty fun to fly. Good luck to anybody that wants to build this thing. However, I got some DVR footage of it flying from out my front yard. It's probably like my third flight on it, so it's not bad. Just be fair warned. Again, it's a pain in the ass to set up. Good luck.